Now we're going to add some RSS feeds to our mobile application. What is an RSS feed? RSS stands for Real Simple Syndication, and it's a very popular way for publishers to automatically syndicate their content across the internet. RSS feeds can be read using software called an RSS reader, a feed reader, or a feed aggregator. These can be web-based, desktop-based, or on a mobile device as part of a smartphone application. There are several advantages to using an RSS feed reader in a smartphone application. An RSS reader can provide useful and engaging content that updates automatically as fresh content and news stories are released. It doesn't matter if the website is not mobile friendly. The app's feed reader will still display it in a format suitable for a mobile device. One app can have multiple feed readers and work with a variety of different media formats, from text and articles to images and video. Not only does this content provide the app user with an incentive to keep returning to the app, every page in an RSS feed reader is an ideal location to place targeted advertising. Okay, let's get back to our Gangnam Style app. These two buttons here, why don't we make them link to RSS feeds? For example, this could be Gangnam Style News, and this one could be Gangnam Style Videos. Okay, so let's click on Edit Pages, and we're going to be editing the Home tab, which is tab 1. So click on Edit, and now we're going to be editing this line here, our blog. We're going to make that Gangnam Style News, and the second one we're going to call this Gangnam Style Videos. So let's create our Gangnam Style news feed first. So let's click on Save, click on Done, and we'll add a new page type. We're going to call it News, and let's add a RSS feed type. So we'll search for feed. As you see down here, the RSS feeds, and we're going to select RSS Pro. So just click on that and click Create. In our application, we now have two new pages. One is called news.html, and the other is RSS Pro Detail1.html. The news.html page is where the RSS feed will be displayed, and the RSS Pro Detail, as it suggests, is where the details of each link in the RSS feed will be displayed. So let's edit news.html and add our Gangnam Style RSS news feed. Now, as you can see on the news.html page, we have an RSS feed already loaded in here, which is http://news.yahoo.com/RSS. Now we're going to change that to this URL here. Let's copy, Control C, paste, Control V. Okay, so we've got news.search.yahoo.com/RSS?p equals. And I'll put this in the forum and I'll put it in the PDF. This is a news search URL we can take from Yahoo, and into that we can add our keywords. In this case, Gangnam, style. Actually, you don't have to capitalize these at all. I just have anyway. And there's just one more thing to do on this page. If we don't check this checkbox, our RSS feed details page won't link out to the original content. In this case, I want to link out to the original content, so I'm going to check that. We can also choose the detail page that we're going to use. Every time we create a new RSS Pro feed, we'll end up with a new details page. I actually like to just keep one page and use it for every feed. Now just click on Save, and we're done. And now we just need to connect our button to our new RSS feed. And we're going to go to tab 1, click Edit, and there was our Gangnam Style News. So we're going to select where it's going to connect to. Currently it's going to blog.html. We're going to connect it to news.html. And click on Save. Okay, so we're back on the Edit Pages screen. And now we're going to add an RSS feed for videos. In this case, Gangnam Style Videos. So let's be very imaginative and call this new page Videos. And we'll scroll down for the RSS feed, RSS Pro. Here we are. So we're going to select RSS Pro, Create. As you can see, we now have a new page called videos.html. As you can see, we also have a new page called RSS Pro Detail2.html. Well, it's exactly the same as RSS Pro Detail1.html, so there's no point in having both of them. So we're just going to delete RSS Pro Detail2. Delete that. Okay, now let's edit our videos.html page. Click on edit, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the details page, and it's going to be the same as for our news feed, RSS Pro Detail 1. I'm going to check the box, and now we're going to put in our feed. Today we're going to take our video feed from YouTube, and we're going to search YouTube by tag. Videos have been tagged with keywords. So this is the basic URL we'll use, and on the end we'll add a keyword, in this case Gangnam Style, and it'll pull up videos which have used Gangnam Style as one word as a tag for the video. Let's put that into our browser and see what we get. As you can see, these are the results, very targeted to the keyword Gangnam Style as a single word. A more advanced way of doing this, so the video must include both the tag Gangnam and the tag Style, either as one word or as two words or as two separate tags. Then we could use this URL, curly bracket Gangnam /style closing curly bracket. Let's copy that into YouTube, and as you'll see, it's a much broader result. It's still targeted to Gangnam Style, but it's not quite as targeted as the previous one. But it's going to pull up more results. And if we wanted to search for either the tag Gangnam or Style, we'd use curly bracket Gangnam pipe, which is the vertical line, Style closing curly bracket. So if we put that into our browser, we'll find it's a very broad result. Some of them are Gangnam Style videos and some are Style videos. Just Gangnam or Style. In this example, I think the best results came from using Gangnam Style as a single word. So we'll use that as our YouTube RSS tag. So let's copy that, put it into the RSS URL, and we'll save that and click Done. So now we just need to connect our button Gangnam Style Videos to our new YouTube video feed. So let's go to tab1.html and edit that. And we'll choose Gangnam Style Videos as the button. And from the drop down link to page, we're going to link that to videos. Click on save, click on done, and now we're ready to test this on our smartphone. Okay, let's first check the app on our Android device. So we'll just resync it. And let's check Gangnam Style News. Then we have the news feed from Yahoo, all about Gangnam Style. And Gangnam Style Videos. There's our YouTube feed, and let's have a look. Okay, and on here we could put an ad at the top or at the bottom of this page as well, and you'd click here and that would take you to YouTube. And of course on the feed itself we could either choose to have the ad at the top or an ad at the bottom. Okay, let's test this on an iPhone. So let's resync it. And here's the Gangnam Style News. It's fine. And Gangnam Style Videos. Again, it shows up fine. And let's see what it looks like when we try to play it. And that was a short video. In the next video we'll update the images in this game, and I'd also like to show you a quick way to update all the remaining images in our application, including the headers and these RSS feed images and various other images throughout the app. And we'll get rid of this tab and we'll change it for something else. I'd like to have something else in there. Okay, thank you for watching.